The hottest groups. Their hottest hits. Presenting Sounds of the 2000s as sung by Björk. Umbrella.
When the sun shines, we'll shine together like an umbrella coming down from the sky. And it's coming over my face and I'm scared of thunder. A boom boom bang, an umbrella. Hey, 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 hey.
Get all your favorite 2000s hits in one dynamite collection, but sung by revolutionary Icelandic singer-songwriter Björk. Hot in here.
It's getting so hot in here, so take off all of your freckles so I can put them inside of my mouth, okay?
Sounds of the 2000s Björk style. Just $9.99 on compact disc and streaming on iTunes. That's more than 1 full hour of the 2000s top charting hits, all performed by your favorite classically trained singer whose voice sounds like twinkling starlight, Björk. Smooth.
And it was just like the ocean under the moon. It's like a nighttime sun that's coming straight for me and you. It's like a sun monster that's going to take my teeth. And I'm scared of the teeth monster just for you and me.
With arms wide open.
With arms wide open under the sunlight, I'll take you to a place where there is no God.
Don't miss the opportunity to purchase Sounds of the 2000s sung by Björk. There's no minimum to buy. Cancel anytime.